Welcome back. Learning Unit 3 will focus on accounting and finance in your book. These are chapters 17, 18, and 19. Now, just a heads up, most people do not enjoy the accounting chapters in this book. But here's the deal. If you break them down, if you take the time to understand how these concepts are applied, you will get much more use out of them than just simply trying to memorize equations, ratios, and keep all of those things straight. So we want to go for application here. We do not want to go for strict memorization. First, describe the steps in the accounting cycle. We also want to identify the differences between major financial statements, and the ones that we will be focusing on are income statement, balance sheet, cash flows, and probably a statement of owner's equity. We want to look at define basic accounting terms, and like I said, you really get some in-depth insight when you can apply them. We want to be able to calculate and explain basic financial ratios. You will have another writing assignment that focuses on this. And then characterize what is financial management and why it is important. We also want to look to see what the differences are and be able to explain the differences between different types of budgets. As we get more into the financial management, we want to identify both short and long-term financing sources. We want to be able to describe the function of the securities market, compare and contrast the differences between equity and debt types of financing. And if you've ever watched a Shark Tank episode, this is really what it comes down to. Do you want to take on debt? Do you want to take on a loan? Or do you want to give a certain percentage of your business away for capital, to increase capital? Define terms relating to the types of stocks and bonds. And then lastly, explain the differences between investing in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. If you have any questions, please reach out to your instructor to get some clarification on these learning outcomes. And we will see you back for the last learning unit, Learning Unit 4. Thank you.